After teasing the arrival of the Realme Neo 7 Turbo for the past few weeks, Realme has finally revealed its design today. The brand released an image of the Neo 7 Turbo's transparent gray variant via its Weibo handle to showcase its design for the first time. The device is confirmed to launch on May 29th in China. The Realme Neo 7 Turbo will come in two colors, a gray and black. The Realme Neo 7 Turbo will feature a 1.5K flat display. Powering the phone will be MediaTek's Dimensity 9400E chipset. The device is expected to come with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, with configurations up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. It will come pre-installed with Realme UI 6-based Android 15. The camera setup might include a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera. The Neo 7 Turbo will pack a 7,200 mAh battery with 100W charging support. It's also rumored that this device could be a global version of the upcoming Realme GT7. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.